Look, here comes a big red truck. Wow, it's carrying giant buckets of red paint. The red truck drives down the road. Bump, bump, bump. Oh no, the red paint is spilling everywhere. Splash! The road is turning red. How cool is that? Here comes another truck. This one is blue. The big blue truck has huge buckets of blue paint on top. It goes over a bumpy hill. Wobble, wobble, wobble. Sploosh. Blue paint spills all over the road. Now we have blue everywhere. Look, look, look. A yellow truck is coming. It's the biggest truck yet. It has so many buckets of bright yellow paint. The yellow truck hits a big bump. Boom! All the yellow paint flies into the air and splashes down. Yellow paint is everywhere. Whee! Now watch this. A green truck zooms by really fast. Vroom! Its green paint buckets tip over and green paint pours out like a waterfall. Splish, splash, splish, splash. The green paint makes a big green river on the road. Oh wow! Look what's happening. The red paint and the blue paint are mixing together. They're making purple. And the blue paint and yellow paint are swirling together. They're making green. The colors are mixing and making new colors everywhere. It's like a rainbow on the road. So many beautiful colors. Whoa! Look who's coming now. It's a giant monster truck with enormous wheels. The monster truck drives right through all the spilled paint. Red splash, blue splash, yellow splash, green splash. The monster truck is changing colors as it drives. First it's red, then blue, then yellow, then it's covered in all the colors. It looks like a rainbow monster truck now. Vroom vroom. A race car zooms through the purple puddle. Now it's a purple race car. Another race car splashes through the orange paint. Look, it's an orange race car now. The cars are having so much fun driving through all the colorful paint. But oh my, everyone is so messy now. The trucks are covered in paint. The monster truck has paint dripping everywhere. Time for a car wash. Here comes the rainbow car wash tunnel. The big red truck goes in first. Scrub, scrub, scrub. Bubbles and water wash away all the extra paint. Squeaky clean. Now the blue truck goes through. Swoosh, swoosh. So shiny. The monster truck goes in next. It's so big. Extra bubbles for the monster truck. Scrub a dub dub. Now all the trucks and cars are sparkly clean and beautiful. They honk their horns. Beep beep. Honk honk. They had the best colorful day ever. Can you remember all the colors? Red, blue, yellow, green, purple, and orange. Great job. Bye bye friends. See you next time on Fun Kids World.